Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. What's really happening? We can easily see that we are on the economic calendar. But before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening, or what happened actually this week? We did not really have enough economic news. So we can easily see that from yesterday, we actually had interest rates from Britain, which they kept their rates unchanged, and the other one, it was unemployment claims. And if you check, it was only unemployment claims economic news yesterday. So the market was just focusing on that. We saw that the number were bad, like jobless claims was actually bad. That's why we saw the dollar losing that momentum. We saw gold trying to push up. Even now, gold is still going up. So that is something that is actually happening at the moment. So today we don't really have much. We just have unemployment change from Canada and consumer sentiment from the US around 4. That is not really an aggressive news. Consumer sentiment is not really that aggressive, but just because that is the only economic news, maybe the market will be trying to react to that. But next week, I think is going to be way too important because we're going to have CPI, PPI. So that is going to be a very good week. Also retail sales. Whoa, we have so much stuff going on around the same time, and that's bad. I don't know why they like to put this events around the same time, right? So what's really happening? We can easily see that we are on Eurozar. Or before I show you that, before we go on the analysis, let me just show you the signals that we had from, let's say, this week, actually, not from Thursday, Wednesday. Yeah, I think it's Wednesday. So we had NFP. This one, it was like day before, and I saw that Nasdaq is now crossing this line, which is going to be a very nice buy. But we also had US30. On US30, you can see that I will be showing you on the chart. US30, it was a buy stop, and then US30 just, it's flying. Now we already reached this level, so which means that was a very, very good trade. So for those who wants to be part of the team, you can just let me know. This is our packages, and we have this sale going on. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So without wasting enough time, what's really happening? We can easily see that we are on Eurozar. What's really happening? We can see that the structure here on a daily time frame, it still shows us that the market is on this nice uptrend. So which means we expect to see the market reversing around this area, unless if maybe the market decides to break out. It shows that the actually South African rand is quite strong. We can see that it's been reversing here for quite some time. But the bigger picture here is, yes, we are on this nice uptrend. A few days ago, we were actually talking about this one here. That was on a 4-hour time frame structure, and it was still on that nice uptrend. So which means after this reversal there, we might see the market reversing here and going up. I think where we are, it can be a very nice buy, unless if maybe the market breaks out. So you have to look out for this type of a trade. This can be a very good one. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame. Let's see, 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, you can see that the market is actually straight on this support area. So this can be a very good buy, unless if the market tries to break out. If it breaks out, it means we're going to look for that continuation of a sell. So let's push to the next one, which is actually DXY, dollar index. What's really happening on a dollar index? I like the structure. I think it's quite straightforward. We can easily see that, yes, the market is still on a very nice uptrend structure. The market has been trying to go up. And yesterday, because of jobless claims, we saw this reversal there, but we are still around our support area. So which means there is enough chance for the market to do what? to continue going up. Maybe later on today we might see the market going up, and that will show that the dollar is quite stronger. But this reversal there, it was because of jobless claims. Maybe consumer sentiment will change everything, but we are still on this support area. So that's why we saw other pairs trying to go up, because the dollar was losing a little bit of the momentum. But to me, that is still quite stronger. That is still very strong, unless if the market breaks out of this support area. I can say, yeah, maybe now the market is trying to cool off. So let's push to the next one, which is USD JPY. You can easily see this is what I was talking about. It shows that the dollar, it's losing some momentum a little bit on DXY, but on USD JPY, that is a no. We don't really see that. We can still see the market trying to go to the upside. And what we have here, since the market moved away from this support, we can say we have a proper resistance, as I did say. But what I'm expecting here is, I'm expecting the structure that we can use to keep buying. But at the moment, I don't really see that. So that's something that we should actually take care of. We don't really have to jump on this. So remember, we did smash this one. So we're just waiting for a nice reversal. Euro JPY, what's really happening? We can easily see that the market is still on that nice uptrend, which means we're supposed to do what? Follow the trend. You should be following the trend. Just look at this trend. It's been going up. So now your job, it should be, where can we buy, just because we're following the trend, right? So that's what we do actually. So I'm expecting to see maybe this to go up to around this area, or maybe we're gonna have that resistance. Maybe from there we might have a reversal, or maybe the market might actually break out. Then we can still look for another buy. But we did smash this one, so we don't really have to go there and try to find some unnecessary opportunities, because when you are a trader, you just want to make money, and most likely you just want opportunities to present themselves. And you know what? Good trades or good signals, you can't just find them every day or anywhere, unless if you just scalping. And even if you're scalping, the market doesn't just move the way we want, right? So it means some days we're just gonna wait, or we're gonna skip, or whatever. And a few signals per week, that is gonna be way too good. And also, you're applying the risk management by just waiting, because you are not in some unnecessary trade just because you want to make something. You see, remember, you are dealing with the market. You are dealing with the market, and you're dealing with smart people. There are sellers and there are buyers. So it means what you're trying to do here, you're just getting in this industry, trying to take money from experts, from people who have experience. So it's not going to be easy. So just jumping in here and you think you're going to just make money quite easy. No, this is just similar to a league, maybe let's say a soccer league, where a smaller team just, it's maybe upgraded to maybe first league or Premier League. So don't expect that team just to win everything. No, you're getting people who are experienced. You're dealing with people who have experience, who want to take money from you. But what can you do? You should have the experience. With time, that will change, because you're going to gain that experience. Then you're going to actually able to keep your money or make something. But if you are just blank, just know that you're just donating. You're just going to make smaller cents here and there. And some other days later, you lose everything. And that mostly is the cycle that we have as traders. So you should learn how to trade. So now we are on JPY. The market is still on this nice uptrend, as I showed you. So I'm just waiting for the market to reverse, or maybe the market will be giving me a proper resistance before I look for that reversal, or maybe the market will try to break out before I look for that buy. Why? We are on that uptrend, and I'm supposed to look for buy positions. So now we are on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still very high, but from this high, we can easily see that now it seems like the market is doing what? It's reversing. So which means the market is losing that momentum. But for us, we have that support. We can say once the market gets out of that, we can say it's time for Bitcoin to melt. But at the moment, yes, it's trying to show us that it might be going down, but it seems like nope. We don't really have to jump on that very quick. Quite similar to here. The market was giving us this nice, let me just show you this properly. You can see that the market was giving us this nice ranging structure. You can see this nice ranging structure. Slowly the market started to give us this. But with that, then the market started to jump up again, going back to that bullish momentum. You can see this. So maybe this is just quite similar structures. Maybe the market will end up doing what? Maybe the market will end up going higher. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. Euro USD, what's really happening? We can easily see that, yes, we are still on that nice downtrend structure. Even though the market is respecting this area here, we see an aggressive reversal. I think it was yesterday because of interest rates from Britain, I guess, because the time the market was reversing, it was exactly around that time. I think it was 1 p.m. But you can see that we had a nice sell. The market is on this resistance, so maybe the market might end up breaking out of this. Oh, this reversal came after jobless claims when the dollar, it was a little bit weaker. So we will see if maybe the market will be trying to continue selling, or maybe the market will break out of that resistance. And with that, we can say, okay, maybe the market is changing the trend. And if it's going to change the trend, it means that we are going to start looking for what? For buy positions or an uptrend, because at the moment we are on a very nice downtrend structure. Yes, there is still a room for the market to do what? To keep going down, right? So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is which is Gbpusd. We also had a trade here. So you can easily see that firstly, the market is still going down. Very nice. This is called a downtrend structure. So which means I'm still expecting to see the market continuing going down, unless if the market tries to break out of that resistance. So I think we had a proper sell from this level. So with that interest rate, the market did go a little bit lower. This is not actually the trade we took. I think I was trying to show this to someone. I think we had a trade around this level, if I still remember. Yeah, I think we have trade around that level. So it was in a very nice profit, or even now we're not actually in a aggressive loss, if maybe you're still holding that trade, because it did go down very nice, and that was in a very nice profit. So, but the structure here, it's still telling us that we are on a downtrend structure, so which means we're expecting to see the market going down. At the moment, it shows that the dollar, it's still not really quite strong, but these are smaller moves. But if you are in the trade, this can be scary, because we're expecting to see the market going down, and now the market is going up. So the question is, will the market try to break out of that resistant area? We don't know. We just have to wait for the market to do that for us before we do something else. At the moment, we can say, yes, we are still on that downtrend. As long as the market is still respecting our resistance, we are still going to look for those sell positions. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? You can see that I've been talking about this uptrend for quite some time, and then we started to have this consolidation structure, and I told you that, you know what, guys, let's not focus too much on this. And yesterday, as I will repeat, jobless claim, it was negative. The dollar was losing the momentum, and then we started to see the market going up. Plus, there are so many things going on. It's geopolitics, it's inflation, everything actually, it's aiding on this. And there is also, on this inflation, we can say also there is a chance that they will be cutting the rates. So that makes the dollar to be a little bit weaker. And obviously gold, it will start to go a little bit higher. So which means at the moment we had a nice buy pending order there. I'm expecting it to go up. So, but we will see what will happen. Likely enough, we don't really have enough economic news that can actually scare us at the moment. So which means we can try to hold that. So on US30, just look at this. The market was going down very nice. It was a downtrend structure. The market broke out. We had this nice consolidation structure. The market broke out. So we had a nice buy pending order there. The market never even tried to reverse that aggressively. Just look, we even above the TP. So which means people in the group are eating. My people in the group are eating, which means the dollar is not really doing great. Or let's say not actually the dollar. It means the stock market is doing good. So for those who want to eat with us, there are the prices. You can pause that. Talk to me. That it's my WhatsApp, or check my description. You will find my WhatsApp link or my Telegram link, right? So this is what we have. We are on a very nice structure. I already closed this, so I'm not holding up to that point because the market was just playing around this level. So I think we got out around here. So that was actually great. So now let's push to the next one, which is gold. And sorry, not gold, man. Nasdaq. Please, guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, don't forget to smash that notification button and like button. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening? We can easily see that Nasdaq is already on this nice structure, showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm going up. This is called an uptrend. But where we are now, it's a very nice area. We are on this nice resistance area. So the question is, will the market try to break out of that? It seems like that. It seems like the market will try to break out of that. So what I see here is, I think the market might end up breaking here. We saw US30, it's flying. Maybe we'll end up having a very nice buy there. So which means I should have a notification. I did have a notification, but it seems like the market did touch that, and now it seems like the market is trying to go a little bit lower. So, or maybe the market might also go down. This is going to be a very nice support before we have a nice buy. Or if we break out, that can also be a very nice buy. So let's push to the next one, which is S&P 500. We did took actually S&P 500. And it shows us that the market is doing what? The market is going actually higher. We had a nice buy pending order, but we took this. It's not really moving as the same as US30, but I'm still expecting to see the market going even higher. You can see that we are already eating in this. So if you want to be part of the team, I showed you what you should do, but we are on this uptrend. We're just following this trend because we are not going against the trend. Trend should be your friend. For those who don't know, that is just the simple concept that you follow the market momentum. Where the market is going, it's easier for you not to go against the market. Don't go against the traffic, right? So we're not saying that when you go against it, you're gonna lose. No, if you know what you're doing, you can do that. But most likely, it's easier to trade with the direction of the market. So on US oil, it was going up. We had a breakout. Now we can say the market is downtrending. And with this downtrend, it shows that maybe tensions are cooling off. But guess what? We reached this area, the market tried to go up. So now we just need to relax. Maybe the market will end up creating something like this. We don't know. We will just have to wait and see. At the moment, there's nothing I can do. We can just say, let's stay out of the market. It's Friday. We don't really have to hold trades that quite long. So at the moment, I think that's fine for us. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.